Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to both text on WhatsApp. For seeing this, open up your WhatsApp, then tap on the three dots at top right corner to open up this option. Tap on settings, then tap on chats, and over here all you have to do is increase the font size to large and tap on OK. So now when you open up text, they are large. It's as simple as that. If you want to make it smaller, you can simply go back, go to settings, go to chats, choose small, tap on OK. So when you open up the chats, they are small, you can see it. Yes, it's as simple as that.